So students, we were discussing wildlife sanctuary, national park and biosphere reserve, which are the protected areas for the wildlife. These are made by the government so that wildlife can be protected. And the example of wildlife sanctuary, for example, Sariska is a wildlife sanctuary in the Alwar district. National park, for example, Jim Corbett National Park, and biosphere reserve like Pachmari Biosphere Reserve, which is there in the Madhya Pradesh. In Pachmari Biosphere Reserve, there is one national park called Satpura, and there are two wildlife sanctuary, Bori and Pachmari. Right? Pachmari Biosphere Reserve. Now today we will discuss about species. What are species? We find different type of species of plants and animals in the forest. In the forest we get many species of plants and animal. हिंदी में कहें तो species means प्रजातियां. हमें अलग अलग तरह की प्रजातियां मिलती हैं plants और animals की forest में, right? तो species को define कैसे करेंगे? What is species? It is a group of population which is capable of interbreeding with each other. It is a group of population. It is a group of population. Group of population capable of interbreeding. Capable of interbreeding. Now, what is the meaning of word interbreeding? Means they can reproduce a fertile offspring. The member of this population. So, species what? Group of population capable of interbreeding. It means the member of this population, they can interbreed with each other. They can reproduce a fertile offspring, right? Only with the members of their own species. केवल अपनी स्पीसीज के ही मेंबर्स के साथ ये रिप्रोडक्शन कर सकते हैं और फर्टाइल ऑफस्प्रिंग को प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं. मेंबर ऑफ अ स्पीसीज हैव कॉमन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक. एक स्पीसीज के जो मेंबर्स होते हैं उनके कॉमन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल यू कैन टेक स्पीसीज ऑफ कैट्स. कैट्स की बहुत सारी स्पीसीज होती हैं. तो जब स्पीसीज उनको कहा जाता है, उन ग्रुप ऑफ पॉपुलेशन को कहा जाता है जो आपस में इंटरब्रीड कर सकते हैं और फर्टाइल ऑफस्प्रिंग प्रोड्यूस कर सकता है. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू यू कि ये ग्रुप ऑफ पॉपुलेशन है विच इज कैपेबल ऑफ इंटरब्रीडिंग. मीन्स दे आर कैपेबल ऑफ reproducing fertile offspring. They can produce offspring and that offspring is fertile, right? So species is a group of population capable of interbreeding. I hope the meaning of word interbreeding is clear to you. Interbreeding means the member of a species, they can reproduce fertile offspring. Now the next term is endemic species. Endemic species क्या होती हैं? We will talk about three types. Endemic species. These are the species which are found in a particular area. Right? There are some species which are of plants and animal both which are found exclusively in a particular area. Means in a particular zone or state or a country. ये वो species हैं जो किसी particular state में ही आपको मिलेंगी या country में या फिर किसी particular zone में. For example, endemic species are the species found in a particular area. So the endemic species are the species. These are the species found exclusively in a particular area. I'm telling you that area may be a state or a country or a zone. Particular area. ये आपको किसी particular area में ही मिलेंगी, right? ये प्लांट स्पीसीज भी हो सकती है और एनिमल स्पीसीज भी हो सकती है. एग्जाम्पल साल एंड वाइल्ड मैंगो. ये प्लांट्स हैं. साल एंड वाइल्ड मैंगो, दीज आर फ्लोरा. सो साल एंड wild mango. These are endemic flora of Pachmari Biosphere Reserve. ये आपको केवल कहाँ मिलेंगे? पचमरी बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व में. These are the flora, sal and wild mango. Similarly, bison, giant squirrel, flying squirrel, bison, giant squirrel. Squirrel means गिलहरी, बड़े साइज की जो गिलहरी हैं, स्पेशल जो इसी एरिया में मिलती हैं. बाइसन, जाइंट स्क्विरल, फ्लाइंग स्क्विरल, उड़ने वाली गिलहरी, फ्लाइंग स्क्विरल. These are the endemic fauna of the particular area, that is Pachmari Biosphere Reserve. So Pachmari Biosphere Reserve में साल और वाइल्ड मैंगो ये आपके फ्लोरा है जो कि एंडेमिक है, जो इसी पर्टिकुलर प्लेस पे मिलते हैं आपको. बाइसन, जाइंट स्क्विरल और फ्लाइंग स्क्विरल ये भी एंडेमिक स्पीसीज है, बट ये फौना है, एनिमल्स है, राइट. सो दीज आर द एंडेमिक स्पीसीज ऑफ पचमरी बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व. So endemic species are the species found exclusively in a particular area. Now the next is endangered species. जैसे कि नेम से ही पता लग रहा है, जो खतरे में है. Whose extinction is in danger. जिनका सर्वाइवल खतरे में है, अगर उन्हें प्रोटेक्ट नहीं किया गया, endangered species को प्रोटेक्ट नहीं किया गया, soon they will extinct from the earth. अर्थ पे से विलुप्त हो जाएंगी, like the dinosaurs, right? Endangered species which are in danger of extinction. These are the species. ये वो प्रजातियां हैं जिनको खतरा है. Species which are in danger of extinction. तो मोस्टली सभी वाइल्ड एनिमल्स, nowadays we are cutting the forest, so almost all the wild animals, their species, the number of the species is decreasing. Population of wild animals, it is decreasing. So most of the species of wild animals, they are in danger of extinction. For example, lion, tiger, elephant, rhino, these all are endangered species. These all are in danger of extinction. So you can write here example: lion, tiger, rhino, elephant. So all these wild animals, they are in danger of extinction and they are called endangered species. Let's have a look towards extinct species also. Extinct species. So species मैंने आपको बताया प्रजाति होती है, और endangered species जो पर्टिकुलर एक प्लेस पर मिलती है हमें. extinct species जो अब extinct हो चुकी है, जो अब नहीं है अर्थ पे. once they were on the earth but now they are extinct. जैसे कि नाम से पता लग रहा है, extinct means विलुप्त, अब ये नहीं है अर्थ पर. the species which are no more on the earth, for example dodo, for example a bird dodo which is now no more. Duckbill platypus, dodo, dinosaur, these are extinct species. These species are no more on the earth. So I have told you about endangered species, the species which are in the danger of extinction. I have told you about the endemic species, the species which are found in a particular area. Right? Now the next is Red Data Book. To protect the endangered species, there must be a record, there must be maintenance of a record that how many number of wild animals are present in the particular area. So Red Data Book एक ऐसी बुक है जिसमें एक कंट्री या थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड भी रिकॉर्ड रखा जाता है endangered species का. So what is Red Data Book? It is the source book which keeps record of endangered species of plants and animals. Red Data Book, it is the source book. It is the source book. Red Data Book, it is the source book which keeps record of endangered species of plants and animals. Our country India also maintain a red data book and keep the record of the endangered species of plants and animals of India. Internationally also, or there is an organization which maintains this red data book. So red data book, it keeps the record of endangered species of plants and animals. So this was all for today. I hope you understood what is wildlife sanctuary, national park, biosphere reserve, what are species, endemic species, endangered species, extinct species, and what is red data book. If you have any query, you are free to ask me on my personal number, right? Thank you.